Welcome to your economics class. This is your social science teacher Suchi Mishra, and today we're gonna start development, chapter 1, economics. Firstly, there are the two things, growth and development. So we have to focus on growth. Growth is something which we can observe, which the changes in a particular time period, that is growth. Let's take an example. When you were in nursery, then the physical changes from now, it is quite different. But as you are now, if you will compare yourself with your nursery standard, then you will change some improvement in yourself. Yes or no? Yes, definitely you have observed. That is improvement and that is development. So growth is just getting bigger, that is growth, which we can observe year by year. A child is maturing year by year. Your height, your body structure, that is changing, that is also changes, so that comes under the growth. But here another thing is the physical changes that we have talked about. But if we will talk about development, then that is a kind of improvement with growth. As the growth will be there, the improvement will also be there. It termed as physical, social and psychological changes. Physical, that we have seen here also in growth, that is called growth only. Social, psychological changes, that will also, as the year passes, the person include in himself or herself. So that is called development. Now here we are talking about economics, so you need to focus that what is the meaning here we have with the growth, and what is the meaning for development in terms of economics. So in the terms of economics, it is increase in real national income or national output, that is called growth. Money can count. The government, the World Bank is taking PCI, that is per capita income, for measuring the rank of the country. So that is what? That is growth only. India stands at the 5th rank in GDP, economy wise. So that is what? Definitely we are talking about growth. But if we will talk about development, so India still is a developing country, not developed. But in the terms of growth, it is comparing with the developed countries. So in the development, we improvement in quality of life, living standard, and that is called quality of life and living standard. That can only not achieved by the income. If the person are getting good income and they will have a good quality of life and living standard, so we can't say it, because if suppose there in the country there is no health facilities, no education, proper education, so what the money will do? So here the quality of life and living standard is related to development, but income is related to growth. Here I want to make it clear that growth is a narrow concept, but this development is a wider concept. Children, I hope these two things are clear to you. Once again I am reminding it, once again I am revising it. So growth मीन्स चेंजेस, फिजिकल चेंजेस, जो आप छोटे से लेकर, जो छोटा सा बेबी होता है, जब वो बड़ा होता है तो उसमें जो फिजिकल चेंजेस होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रोथ. डेवलपमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हेन द इमोशनल चेंजेस, साइकोलॉजिकल चेंजेस आर देयर, दैट इज कॉल्ड डेवलपमेंट. अगर जो इनकम है, मनी के पर्सपेक्टिव में हम बात करते हैं ग्रोथ की, जितना ज़्यादा मनी, जितनी ज़्यादा इनकम, जितनी ज़्यादा सैलरी होती है, वो आपका कहलाता है ग्रोथ. बट डेवलपमेंट, जब आपकी एजुकेशन, हेल्थ, अच्छी होती है और लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड अच्छा होता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड डेवलपमेंट. गवर्नमेंट इज वर्किंग ऑन द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स. Human resource, that is you and I also. So it means ki you have to focus on your education, your health. It is must. So now I believe that you are not going to confuse in growth and development. So I need to focus you to the economic development. In the economic development or monetary development, why we have said it monetary? Monetary means whenever we are talking about in terms of money, that related to the monetary only. So economic development or monetary development is the process by which a nation improves economic, political and social well-being of its people. This we can understand with a very good example of nowadays, that is COVID-19. And due to this COVID-19, the people, they know that if the people will not be, the government knows that if the people will not be safe, then the economic, political and social, that will not, the development will not be there. So that's why they have taken a lot of steps just to protect us. It is directly related to the environmental issues. Environmental issues, definitely it is related to the environmental issues, because if your environmental issues such as if you are not getting the safe drinking water, electricity supply and hospital facilities, education, schools for education, colleges, so that will not be a development. So government has to focus on the environmental issues, that is water or safe air, pollution free environment, that is there. So this is also important for the development of a country. So now here I need you to focus on the aspects of development. Here the aspects of development one by one we will discuss. In the first, it is different people may have different development goals. So different people, different development goals. For example, for me, development goals will be different. For you, development goals will be different. So here we can observe this with the example. I have given you two situations. One is related to the rural and another one related to the urban area. So in the rural area, a landless farmer or a prosperous farmer. Landless farmer, his development goals will be to get a land for the cultivation, to become a farmer, so who can fulfill the needs of his family even. And plus he also required high wages. But on the other hand, if you will see the prosperous farmer, what he required, what his development goals will be. His goals will be that the better education for their children, plus he also required low wages, it means cheap labor, because here this farmer has or we can say it as a labor. So this will comes under the, we can write here as a labor. So this laborer will work on this on the farms of the prosperous farmer. So he required a very high wages, but here prosperous farmer required cheap labor. It means both are living in a same condition, but their development goals will be different. On the other hand, if we will focus on the urban area, then here the small scale industrialists and the large scale industrialists. So small scale industrialists wants to be the large scale industrialist. He want more and more investment. But the large scale industrialist, what he required, his development goals will be to get more and more profit. So here the different people, they have different development goals. I have given you one, I want to give you one more example. In the same way, in rural and urban area, if we will take the example of a girl who lives in the rural area and a boy. Urban area, again girl and a boy. That for the girl, she must be thinking for getting education as his brother is getting, or his brother maybe wants to get admission in any urban school for better education. On the other hand, if you will observe, in urban area mostly the girls and boys both are going to school, but maybe here the girl wants that she should get a freedom like her brother, or her brother maybe wants a bike. So the development goals are different for the different person. It means it varies according to the situation, according to the person's need, right? Now, second aspect of development is development for one may not be for others. In this, we can take the example of constructing dams. Construction of dams, maybe it will be a development for the industries because it is supplying electricity to them, or maybe it is it will be a development for the farmers also, because due to this dam they will get the water for irrigation. In the same way, it will be a development for the other people also, the people, those who are getting electricity from there, and it is also for the people, those who are coming here for the recreation purpose. But this will not be a development for the people, those are the located people. It is not development for the located people because they have to migrate from there. So in this way, one is benefited by, one part of the society is benefited by the particular development, but another one is not. So it can also be considered as contradiction in the development. Development जब एक के लिए डेवलपमेंट है और दूसरे के लिए नहीं, तो यहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रीज, फार्मर्स और द पीपल दोज वर कमिंग हियर फॉर द रिक्रिएशन, जो टूरिज्म के लिए आते हैं यहाँ पर, टूरिज्म से रिलेटेड अपने इन्जॉयमेंट के लिए आते हैं, उनके लिए तो ये डेवलपमेंट है. बट द पीपल दोज वर लोकेटेड देयर, जो वहाँ पे पहले रहते थे, उन लोगों के लिए डेवलपमेंट नहीं है. वी कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टिहरी डैम. There 20 villages were submerged in the Tehri lake. So that is what? That is not development for them. Right, children? Now we are moving forward in the chapter and we are going to discuss the income and other goals. For development, people looks for the mixed goal. For the mixed goal. How? For suppose we can understand with the example job. A person is doing job anywhere, so firstly he will also observe for, he will go for the salary, income, but with this income he will also focus on the respect of others. He will also focus on the safe working environment, and he also focus on the limited working hours. He has to focus, he definitely will focus on the self improvement, where he will not he think that he is not going to improve himself or herself, then the person will not be able to job over there. And freedom also, he required some freedom, he required some time for his family, and he required some time for himself. And security, that is job security. Then these all points are important for doing job for a person. So here the people will not look for a one goal. For suppose you want to earn money in your life, that is not sufficient, that is not your goal. You will look for your comfortability over there. Sometimes you have observed that few people, they are working on a less salary but they are satisfied. What is the reason? Because they are getting other points and other satisfaction in that company or in that particular organization. So this is important with the that income is important, that is definitely for survival of life, income for maintaining the life, it is income, that is important, but other aspects are equally important. So children, I hope this up to this point this chapter is clear to you, and till then be safe, stay learning, stay at home. Thank you.